What's up, guys? So obviously I'm in some sort of contraption here. It's actually my cousin Dan's Beamer drift car. We're both taking his cars up to, what is it, Broke East, up at the Rentschler Field up in Yukon. So I had the idea of doing a little point of view photos kind of thing. So I'm gonna try and strap the GoPro onto a chest piece, which I have over here somewhere, and try and get point of view shots of the cars. I know the show ends at like 3 o'clock and we're running a little late today, so we're just gonna try and shoot with whatever's left there, and hopefully we get some good stuff. So yeah, see you there. Go Yankees! Sausage guy? Yeah. Funny boy. Huh? Anal heat?
I don't know what E36s are. What up, homeboy?
What's up?
A few moments later.
What's up, Jay? Very good. There wasn't much left of the show, so I only got a couple cars, did a couple laps around, and a lot of people were leaving the venue and packing stuff up, so it seemed like the majority of the nice stuff was in the inside of the stadium, so those are probably some of the better pictures. Even I think they had more of the nicer cars on the inside, so whatever, that's what happens when you show up late.